So here we go, guys. We also need the soy sauce for the beef brisket. Soy sauce. Okay, soy sauce. Light soy sauce. And of course, we need the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. And we also need, the very important, is the churro paste. Okay, so we need the churro paste. 3. Okay. Napadami yung isa ko. Okay, so it depends upon the beef that you are going to cook. So this one, and then we need 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Okay, and I also need soy sauce 2. Okay,